Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Thrills, Spills, Bills, Tills, Rills, Wills, I don't know. Welcome back to Griddling. Um, Today, collard greens. I love collard greens. You can take the boy out of the South, but you can't take the South out of the boy. So, we have some chopped up bacon. I have the griddle on medium. Bad. Oh, sorry, got carried away. So, how you doing today? I'm good, thanks. Beautiful day. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. My co-host, Baja, is here with me. Baja, would you like to say hi? Baja does not want to say hi. She wants to know where you hid her tennis ball. She's very sensitive about her tennis ball. You know this, and yet you hide it each time. You couldn't find a ball? She couldn't find a ball. She has them like everywhere. Down the hill, in her house, under cabinets, under sofas, in my house. Probably the next door neighbor's house. So, what are we doing? We're frying bacon pieces. Let's look at this. This was from a pack of bits and pieces. Bacon ends and bacon pieces. Which is always fun. You never know what you're going to get. And they're great for cooking. Especially if you're making like collard greens or something. I love me some collard greens. Some mustard greens. Back in the South, get them right after the first frost and then pick them. Boy, howdy, they're good. These probably aren't even from the South. They're probably from like Central California or something. But that's okay. What did he say? No, doesn't even say. I bet they don't even know. They're just loaded up in a big truck and chopped and washed and processed and packaged and sent out around the country. That's okay. They're greens, and we'll take what we can get. So, I've got it at medium. I think I mentioned that. Let's slide these to the side. We'll let them keep cooking. And as a matter of fact, let's leave them in the middle and add some onion, already chopped, processed, cut, spindled, mutilated. Look what I got. Some handy travel wipes so I can wash my hands out here. And I don't have to pause. And you guys don't have to think I'm a complete unsanitary fool. Just a partial unsanitary fool. Okay, where were we? Griddling? I think we were griddling. onion and bacon. Ah, does that smell good or what? Oh man, oh man, oh man. One day I'm going to package that smell. Just you wait and see. Throw in some bell pepper and you really got something. Okay, now we'll move it to the side. Get. And I've never pan fried. I've always cooked my greens and spent all day doing it. Mix in some ham hocks and chicken stock and all that. Pop, snap, crackle, pop. You know what it probably needs? Even though there's stuff there. Bacon fat. Let's add some vegetable oil. And I think we can go ahead and mix this, don't you? Let's get that bacon fat on top of the greens. Let's get a little greens to sop up this to split over to the corner. And of course the reason I bought this, the greens, is the same reason I buy everything. It was on clearance. So, oh, let's try that. Well, colored greens. My lovely assistant is not a southerner, so she hasn't yet come to fully appreciate, but she indulges me and she'll join me for greens and beans on New Year's, for example. So we got some minced California garlic. Instead of me having to chop it up and mince it, this is much easier. I'm lazy. Okay, let's toss that aside. We'll sprinkle on some of my secret seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, whatever else. I can't remember. I'm just not telling you. I'll get rich marketing it one day. Just you wait and see. Or not. But I can pretend. Maybe a little paprika in there too. And some other stuff I can't remember. I make it up as I go along, just like everything else in life. Now, you can see the greens were a big pile. Now they're still a big pile, but they do reduce as they cook. Right, Baja? Okay, what else can I add here? Speaking of paprika, let's add a little. Give it some color. Give it some something. We got some chopped chives. Let's add that. And we got some Badia complete seasoning, which is always good. I noticed the ingredients are similar to Goya's adobo, adobe seasoning. We're getting closer. We're not there yet. What else can we add? Crushed red pepper. You need crushed red pepper. Give it some spice. And red wine vinegar. Give it some more depth. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, they like that. They're saying, thank you. May I have some more, please? Southern favorite, Crystal hot sauce. I was so glad when they started carrying it out here. You can tell a good restaurant in the South when they have both Tabasco and Crystal on the table. If it's really fancy, they'll have some homemade pepper sauce too. Can't go wrong if you see those condiments on the table. And just to sweeten the deal a little lemon juice. Just to get it where we want it to go. So, this is either really good right now or a disaster. Hopefully it's really good. We got the leaves wilted down. The bacon's all crushed. We got all the sauces and spices and herbs and all that. Should we try a piece? Let's try a little piece. Uh-oh, not that piece. Maybe this piece. May need to cook just a little more. But I think I got my ingredients pretty good. I'll probably add some more hot sauce or sriracha on the plate. But let's try to get back here. It's got the sear. Oh man. Almost. It's pretty much cooked well enough. We just need throw on some more Mrs. Dash. I'm going to make sure I clean this really well, by the way. We have sriracha salt. Vinegar and cast iron aren't really best friends, so maybe a little more Crystal. Now let's see what it says. Boy, the the vinegar and the hot sauce hitting the griddle really gave me a snootful. Especially the vinegar, I think. Give it a good stir. And try another piece down here from the bottom. Help me, help me. That's it. Okay. Success, success, success. Man, that's good. So I'll plate that up. Let's switch your lens here. There's extreme close up, extreme close up, extreme close up. Ah! This is good. I'm kicking myself for not doing it sooner. But yeah, that's a winner, y'all. So, thanks for watching. And y'all come back now. You hear? Bye!